Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install a module on a website that uses multiple sales channels. Let's get started. Before installing a module, make sure your website is already connected to the App Shop. If the connection has not been configured yet, please refer to the Connecting to App Shop guide first. Now log into the admin area of your website. Go to App Shop and open the Store tab. Locate the module you want to install. You can browse the available modules or use the search function to find a specific module. Once you find the required module, click Install. Next, you'll be asked to select the sales channel for the installation. Choose the specific sales channel where you want the module to be available. If you want the module installed across all sales channels, select the option to install it on all sales channels at once. Once you've made your selection, click Continue Installation. The installation process will begin and the module will be added to the selected sales channel or channels. When the installation is complete, a confirmation page will appear indicating that the module has been installed successfully. To continue with the module setup, click Check Settings for the required platform. Alternatively, you can configure it manually by following the instructions below. To verify that the module was installed correctly, go to Modules, select Payment, and open the Online tab. On the page that opens, locate the module you previously installed and select it. You can open the configuration page by double-clicking the module name or by clicking the Edit button in the toolbar. Once open, you can configure the module to suit your business requirements. That's it. You've successfully installed a module on a website with multiple sales channels and are ready to configure it for your selected platforms. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you verify your update, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more technical guides.